Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to show you some things that I'm looking at here this morning. So this is BTC USD Bitcoin, and we had a couple really great trades this past week so far on Bitcoin. So if we take this off, so again, if you took the trades, congratulations, because they were pretty great trades. So if we take the fib retracement from the low to the high here, just missed it. So, oh, what happened? So from the low to the high there, originally I was looking at this zone here. You pull up the little box. So right in here, I was looking at this zone. I didn't wind up taking this trade because we had already hit the 382. It was just too close to the 382 and the 236 already to really make any good profit. So what I did was wait for our last resort zones, which would be the 786, 886, right in here. So once we close this green candle here on the 4-hour chart in the 786, it's pretty much right on the 786, as you can see, right? So I took the trade here. We did come down a little bit. The stop loss was 80 or 52.8, right? So the stop loss was here, the red line. We almost came and hit the stop loss, which wouldn't have been good, but you know, we'd rather have a stop loss rather than keep moving south and losing all your money, right? So stop losses are very important in that way. Okay, so we had a massive run up to the 236 was our ultimate take profit, right in here in this orange line. You can see the 236 here. Maybe I can bring this out a little bit. Okay, so the 236 is here. We came up, hit it, took profit, wind up coming back down and did up a little bit higher. Okay, but so I'd rather keep it safe, take profits at the 236. Seems to be the great profit zone, right? So we took that one, and then I believe, was it yesterday? We came from the low to the high here, right into the zone at the 50% at the 5-0, guys. Like right on the zone. Originally I was looking to take the trade on this candle, but then again, by the time this one closed, you know, we already came up so high, and then the next candle already hit the 236. I didn't wind up taking the trade there. If I can make this a little bigger, I took the trade here the second time it hit and closed this green candle, and then up and up. I did take profits at the 236, right? So hopefully you guys did too. I know I didn't put that in the description, or I didn't say when I was going to make the trade, but I did post that it was a good trade, right? So that's what happened yesterday. We also took a pretty good trade on ETH this week. So far this week, 3 trades, 100% wins. Can't get any better than that, guys. I don't know. You know, I'm not a professional trader or anything. I don't trade with millions of dollars or anything, but you know, 3 trades this week was over $3,000 for me. And I'm not saying that to brag. I'm just saying that so you can realize the potential, right? So as long as we're using stop losses in the right places, and we're you know, taking the trades as we see them on these great setups here using the Fibonacci, right? So another thing to look out for would be, where's the RSI when all this is happening, right? So here, the RSI stochastic was very low, right? So here it was It was a little low. I was kind of iffy about this one, but we did wind up having a great run up anyways. So the best thing to look out for is if we're in the zone, and then we have our RSI and stochastic is oversold here, guys, in this area. That is a great trade setup, right? So just wanted to point that out, and then just go ahead and leave that on. So now we're waiting on see if we can make an all-time high right now, guys. So we put on our little paintbrush. So what I would be looking for to take another trade on BTC would be to come up over here, retest, and then continue up like that, right? So we would ultimately need to break this level here, the previous high, and then the previous high before that. All right, so that, if we watch out for that, that could be a good trade setup as well. Let me get this out of here. All right, so another thing I wanted to show you guys, I will make this short, guys. I'm not going to go too long here. If we go to the daily chart on BTC, so if we look at the hash ribbons indicator here, guys, we're really warming up to that blue dot, I think, guys, which would mean, you know, we should have another massive run up. A lot of pairs have shown the blue dot, the buy signal already, but not on BTC USD. So another great thing would be wait for that blue dot to show, guys. And I mean, you can make a leverage trade, but I would just recommend at just buying at that point, right? Because, you know, the market could come down and then back up first. But so that's what I would be looking at for that. And as we see here on the daily, the RSI is still pretty high, guys. So I mean, I think we could come back down, and then maybe show that blue dot, and then have a nice run back up, right? So if we look at some other pairs, let me see. I think Litecoin was one that I showed that had the blue dot. Right, so the blue here, buy signal, I posted when this was happening, right when I saw the blue dot. And look at the massive run we had there, guys. It's that's pretty massive, pretty awesome. So, and we didn't really have any drawdown, we just kind of went straight up, which is good. But sometimes when they show the blue dot, especially on the daily chart, that's the one I watch, right, on the for the hash ribbons indicator to show the blue dot. So once we had that blue dot, massive run up. But sometimes we will show the blue dot and we'll kind of mess around a little bit, even come down before we have that initial run up. But at this point we didn't. I think Link was another. And Link's at 50 bucks again. Okay, so same thing here on Link. We have the blue dot, right? And just another massive run up on that, guys. So if you guys did buy when I posted those, you'd be doing very well right now. So just some things to look out for. Link, I think we could, if you guys are looking to buy, we're pretty high on the RSI. I think we could come down some more again. So if you're looking to get into Link, I would wait till the RSI is low, like it did here, and then, you know, we should see a good run up there, guys. Another thing I wanted to show you guys was Bitcoin dominance. If I can find it here. Okay, so this is Bitcoin dominance, guys. It's been going down and down and down for a long time. And normally I look at this chart on the weekly. Where's, can I find that here? So if we look at the weekly Bitcoin dominance, you know, I thought we'd kind of stop in this zone. but we continued lower. So the last line of resistance are 786, 886, right? So we'd be looking to put a pretty penny into Bitcoin at this point if we have a buy signal in this area, guys, right? I think we did show a blue dot on, yeah, back here, the blue dot on Bitcoin dominance, but we didn't go up too far. But again, this is the weekly. So if we go to the daily, we have no blue dot yet, which is what I would be waiting for. So if we were to come down into our zone here, guys, to the 786, 886, see if I can show the zones here better. So if we had a buy signal in this area, then that's a good time to put, like I said, a pretty penny in, guys, whatever you can afford to put in. You know, this is not financial advice, guys, it's just, you know, what I would do, basically. So I think right here we're gonna wind up coming down into this area. I don't see it any other way, really. But in case you don't know what Bitcoin dominance is basically the market cap of Bitcoin and altcoins, guys. So right now it's going down, right? So that means money is flowing into the altcoins, guys. So people are selling Bitcoin and they're buying altcoins, that the pump and dump stuff like Doge, and what else is out there, SafeMoon. That, you know, I don't really believe in these things, but sometimes I do buy into the hype. For instance, Doge, you know, I just put $1,000 in a few weeks ago. I doubled my money, more than doubled. I took most of it out and then left some in, right? So that's the way we can work pump and dumps. I wouldn't really invest all your money into them, because, you know, when people are done, it's going to dump, right? Now, who knows what's going to happen with Dogecoin, because Elon Musk is behind it and all that crazy stuff, right? But as far as I'm concerned, it's still a joke coin, and there's no true value, no use case. So I don't see why we would go up into the hundreds of dollars area, but you never know. People like this hype, right? So either way, once we come down into the zone, we should see BTC on a massive run, and altcoins start to move down. So it might be a good time to get out of the altcoins and put your money into BTC at that point, guys. So that's my plan, anyways. I thought it would happen in May, beginning of May. I mean, we're still kind of in the beginning. My plan was to sell altcoins and put it back into BTC, but it's just not time yet, guys. So I will keep you informed on what I see and let you make a decision on your own. Like I said, I'm not your financial advisor, guys. I'm just, you know, here sharing some tips and some strategies with you guys. Alright, guys, so that's about all I wanted to show, but I also wanted to say that I haven't done any webinars in a while, guys, because really nobody shows up. So my time is valuable. I'm a very busy guy. I haven't even been trading in the last month because the business I work for opened up a new location. I've been very busy with that, so I'm just getting back into starting to trade again this week, guys. Things are starting to slow down for me a little bit, but still always very busy. So my point is, look, BTC's running up. My point is that if you guys want to do some webinars, maybe the mornings on Saturdays and Sundays wasn't a great time for you guys. So, you know, let me know in the comments if, you know, there's a better time. If you guys want to do it evenings on weekdays, evenings on weekends. I would just like more participation in order for me to spend my valuable time doing this, guys. So, right? I do it for you guys. I already know what I'm doing. I do it to teach you guys and to show you guys. So if you're not interested, you know, that's fine. But if you guys want to figure out a better time, you know, that would be great. I'm more than willing to to have some webinars with you guys, right? So anyways, hopefully everybody has a great rest of the week and a great weekend. Stay safe, and talk to you all soon.